Shut the hell up! Feels pretty awesome to have lighting in here. I've been waiting on this for like 5 years, and the day just keeps getting better.
Look at what finally decided to show up. Oh my God, would you look at it? Just look at it. I mean, it's freaking beautiful, man. Just freaking look at it. Look at it. Just look at it.
This is a little heavy for me to be picking up, so we're just gonna do this one piece at a time. We went with green.
Why not throw it ahead of time? I'm really pleased to look at Callie with us. Here she is.
Anywho, it's getting hot out here. I'm gonna take a break, which means this could be either this afternoon or tomorrow. But alright. I'm happy about this. Next time. Some Twilight Zone looking shit right here.